Hello, my name is Celina Martinez and today I will cover some information about dental hygienists and RN nurses. These two careers are both in the medical field, yet many always seem to favor one more. Dental hygienists and RN nurses are always seen as a tiring and depressing job, but today I will address some facts necessary to understand both careers. I am going to dig deeper and talk about dental hygienists. Dental hygienists are people who administer oral care to patients and assess the patient's hygiene problems or needs to have good health. While it may seem like they don't do much, they also maintain healthcare records of patients and talk to the doctors about the next steps. Dental hygienists usually work in private dental offices, managed care organizations, schools, public clinics, and hospitals. Although it might not seem like a lot, their working conditions show us how much they need to protect themselves. Dental hygienists have a lot of social contact with their patients and co-workers and need to be responsible for their safety and others as well. They work indoors and wear safety attire. They wear gloves, glasses, and masks. This job needs to be taken seriously since hygienists are usually exposed to viruses and diseases. To become a dental hygienist, you need 2 to 4 years of school and at least an associate's degree before getting your state license. This is a well-paying job with the median pay being $87,530 and the lowest being $65,000. If you want a better pay, though a good job that is related to a dental hygienist would be a doctor, since they have the same attributes. In this field, there is a lot of interaction, so it is important to have some of the following skills such as communication, patience, and time management. Communication is an important role since you will be talking throughout the day with patients and co-workers. Patience is required since you will be working with all age groups. Lastly, time management is crucial because of all the patients you will have and healthcare records you will have to maintain. This job is achievable, but most don't like math, so it seems most people will stop pursuing this career. The second career I'm going to talk about is a RN nurse, which is also in the medical field, just slightly different. RN nurses, or also called registered nurses, are known for providing care and educating their patients about their health. RN nurses provide emotional support and help families feel better when a family member is sick. This may not seem like a lot from our perspective, but nurses go through a lot of stress since they have a lot of work to do. Sometimes nurses take over other people's shifts and have an overload of work to do, plus everything has to be done quickly. Registered nurses work about 8 to 12-hour shifts and are sometimes put in 24/7 clinical settings. If this seems like a lot, RN nurses are sometimes asked to work during holidays and have to go on short notices. Safety in clinics and hospitals are important, and RN nurses must follow protocols and keep themselves and others safe by wearing protective attire at all times. Diseases and illnesses spread rapidly in these areas, so RN nurses must inform patients how to stay safe. To become an RN you need 2 years of school, but many employees now want a Bachelor's of Science of Nursing, which takes 4 years to complete. The more you study and work, the more you get paid, but the median for an RN nurse is $94,917 and the lowest is $73,400, which is still a lot of money. A few characteristics needed, or that you should have, are emotional stability, because you need to be able to remain stable and balanced throughout the day. Another crucial characteristic is stamina, since nurses work long shifts. They are always on their feet walking around, and it is said that they walk 4 to 5 miles a shift. This career would be great for individuals who want to work in the medical field and want to help make a change, even if it's small. When we compare dental hygienists to RN nurses, it becomes clear that they are both very similar, but also have their differences. It is clear hygienists and nurses are both in the medical field, but let's dive in deeper to see what are other characteristics that make them similar. First, both don't have a lot of years of school, and both careers are very stressful because of all the pressure, and what is asked of them is a lot, so most can't handle that stress. A major distinction between the both careers is the salary, since RN nurses get paid much more.
Registered nurses get paid $97,070 while hygienists only get paid $87,530, which some argue saying it's too low considering they do a lot. This helps us understand that dental hygienists and RN nurses both do a lot of work, but the settings are a bit different. To conclude, dental hygienists and RN nurses are both very busy jobs, and we might underestimate them. Dental hygienists and RN nurses are both very good careers, but have different types of education for different people. I chose a dental hygienist as my career because I have the skills and will gain more skills that apply to this career. I am good at working alone, and hygienists work in private areas, so that would be perfect. I also know how to help others and teach them about themselves, while also being patient with everyone. I would also like to help maintain oral health, since it is crucial to maintaining overall health, and I think I have the skills and patience to go into this career.